What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all doing today? Please excuse that big ugly cut on my hand, y'all. I reached into my book bag the other day and something scratched the living hell out of me, and I have no idea what it was. But anyway, we're gonna be doing some tricolor ombre nails today. Once again, I posted another video like this not too long ago. I highly advise you check it out. In that video, I test out a cheap a cheap DIY, a cheap airbrush machine from Amazon. Okay, so I'm gonna be using that same airbrush machine in this video, and man, oh man, did I have a time doing these nails, y'all. I went through so much to do these nails, and we're gonna talk a little bit about like what I went through, some things I would have done differently, because oh man, did I have a time. But yeah, so I'm going in with these square nails, these long square full cover tips, and then I just did my regular prep routine. I used that Savillon primer, but I went in with this builder gel that I like to use because these nails, I want them to be a little bit stronger, but I didn't want to lose the shape. So that's why you saw me going with my finger and kind of wipe down the extra off the sides. And then I'm going in with this, I don't really know how to describe this color. It's something in between a blue and a green. I guess you could call it a turquoise, but I feel like turquoise is a little darker than this, no? Whatever it is, it's really cute. And I got it in this set off of Amazon. I'm gonna try to link it if they didn't take it down, because I don't really see this brand around a lot. I don't think it's really all that popular, but this polish came in like a set of like blues and greens, you know, and it's really good. It's good quality polish. So if I can find it, I'll link it below for you all. But I went in with 2 coats of that to start. Now, my thought process was that I would go in with the tip color and then blend upwards, because you know that's what they do with the nail salon. Right? Wrong. You might remember that in my previous airbrush video, I said to go in with the lighter color first. I definitely wish I would have done that. I wish I would have actually painted the nail pink and then went in with my blue and my cover color, my nude cover color after that, because I really don't think it would have made a difference. I think the ombre, like, I guess I was afraid that it would look weird if the 2 colors on the 2 ends of the nails were covering the middle cover. But to be honest, airbrushing is such, like, it comes out so flawless if you do it right, that I really don't think it would have made a difference if I would just went ahead and put the pink first, because I kept having to, like, I edited a lot out of this video because I kept having to like refill my airbrush and redoing that like solution mixture with the acetone and the gel polish. I had to do it like about, oh my gosh, I can't even count. Like for the pink color and the nude color, I probably did it like a total of 12 times, and it's not even exaggerating. And it's not because of the airbrush or because of the gel polish. It's literally because I was trying to blend these lighter colors over this greenish blue color. And this greenish blue color is like really, really pronounced. And it was the dominant color really in this set. So if I had any sense, I would have went in with either the pink or the nude first. Probably the pink, just because the nude I feel like would have had an easier time going over the pink. Like I think it'd have been okay since it's a little bit darker in like tone, you know. So I'm gonna try that the next time that I do like a 3-color ombre. I want to do like some Powerpuff for girls pretty soon, and I'm trying to like kind of figure out how I should do it. I've been kind of having a hard time lately, like not getting inspired so much, but like coming up with things, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, it's just been a little hard for me to put an idea in my head and then translate it onto some nails. Like I've been having to go on my explore page a lot, like just to get inspired, just to see what people are doing, see what the trends are, you know, and base my ideas off of that. Not copy, but like, you know, use as inspo. And I don't always want to have to do that, you know. I really enjoy when I'm able to see something in my head and bring it to life on some nails. You know what I'm saying? So like it frustrates me when I get in these kind of moods or whatever. But anyways, so y'all saw me do that pink airbrush. I didn't bother showing you guys both hands because I did the same thing on both hands. And you know, this video would have been really, really long if I would have kept all of that footage. And editing speeds things up a lot here. I was spraying for a long time and I was having to refill my airbrush many times, okay? So if you're airbrushing and you're getting frustrated because you feel like the pigment is not coming out, one, check your mixture because you might have too much acetone and not enough gel polish. And two, just be patient because when you're working with, especially when you're doing like a tri-color ombre, it's really going to depend on like what order you're putting the colors in, you know what I mean? So like just take your time and find a method that works for you. Have patience, you know? But this is what both hands came out looking like, and I decided to show you guys both hands in this video because I thought I was going to end up wearing these, but I wasn't really, they weren't, like, they're cute. I like how they came out, but they just weren't like what I wanted, you know? So I attempted to try and make like a glitter top coat here. I just mixed some top coat with that. Y'all have seen me use this loose glitter. Excuse me. You have seen me use this loose glitter a lot. It's from Glitties. I think it's called like Diamond Dust. And I really love this glitter, and I wanted to do kind of like a glitter top coat, but I don't think I put enough glitter because you could barely see it like in the end result. Like you'd really kind of have to be looking, but that was my fault. Like I just should have put more glitter, but I was scared to put too much because I didn't want the glitter to overpower the ombre, you know? So like I just went in with a hint of glitter, but I could have put more. But yeah, that's basically just what you see me doing here. And I think this color combo is super cute though. Like, you know, it's spring. I wanted to go for something really light and pretty. I'm kind of tired of seeing nudes and things like that. And I've been having a love-hate relationship lately with pink. Like, I've never really thought of myself as a person that just loves pink. I like pink. And, you know, I don't have anything against it. You know how some girls are just like, ugh, I hate pink. I'm definitely not one of those. I actually really like pink. But I've just been wanting to wear pink on my nails lately, like a lot. And I don't know why. Like right now, I'm not wearing this set. I ended up making a different set and wearing it. And it's kind of like a pink. If you guys want to see, I'll insert kind of like a short little video. But yeah, so I went in with some base coat because I wanted to adhere these little gold Playboy decals to the tips of my nails. And I just got these off Etsy. Just search like bunny nail art or Playboy nail art, and something like these will come up. I don't really know what you would call these because they're not exactly like glitter and they're not a sticker. And I don't really consider these decals. I think decals are like things you place in the water and, you know, take out. But on Etsy, I think a lot of pages would call these decals. So, but if you just look up like bunny nail art, I'm sure it'll come up. And as for bling, y'all know I have to have a little bit of bling with every set. I cannot just not have bling. Like, I don't feel like myself. I went through so many different styles. First, I came up with this, but I decided it was too much with like all the gold and stuff. So I removed some of the gold and I ended up with this that you see here. But I really didn't like how that looked. So in the end, I ended up coming up with just this simple bling design. I have a love-hate relationship with bling designs because there's a time and a place. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, the gold alloy pieces and the caviar beads, like those are beautiful embellishments to have on your nails when the time is right. But I just didn't feel like this was the time for that, you know what I'm saying? And I really didn't want to do cuticle bling on these because I don't know, with my fingers, I feel like on square nails, cuticle bling just makes my fingers look really big for some reason. I don't mind it so much with like coffin nails or ballerina nails, but with square nails for some reason, like cuticle bling makes my fingers look a little strange. So I wasn't feeling no cuticle bling on this one. I probably could have done like one jewel at every cuticle. That'd have probably been real cute, but I thought since I already had like the Playboy decals at the end of the nails, I didn't know if that would look balanced, but I ended up coming up with just this cute little simple bling design. And now I'm finally going in with my final, how many times can I say final? With my last coat of top coat, and this is the most satisfying part for me because it's when I get to see the finished result and everything looks nice and shiny. These probably would have looked cute with like a matte top coat. Oh, if I had just left these plain and not put anything on them and just made them matte, that would have probably looked super cute. Ombres look super cute in matte, especially in the springtime. Something about it is just really girly to me, and it's very fun. Like, I feel like the matte top coat ironically makes the ombre pop more, which is ironic, right? But I really feel like it does. But yeah, I'm just going in and swiping down the sides so that I'm able to preserve the shape a little bit better. And I stuck these in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. I went in and filed up the sides, and I also cleaned off all of the nails with a little bit of alcohol, and this was my final results. What do you guys think? Do we like the airbrush? Do we hate it? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and hit that subscribe button and click that bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. Love you. Mwah.